A TV. Learn with me. Hi YouTubers, welcome to the TV. Today we are going to be doing a germ video. I'm going to explain why we need to wash our hands with soap and water. So let's do it. I need some black pepper, some soap, 3 containers and some water. First, I'm going to pour my water in this big container. Next, I'm going to pour the black pepper in. Oops, I picked up the wrong thing. And pour it into number 1. Next, I'm going to do the soap. Now, black pepper is going to pretend to be the germs. So now I'm going to put the black pepper in. 1 little tiny scoop. And take a little bit more. Take a little bit. Take a little bit. Take a little bit. Now I am ready to put my finger in. Oh, look at all those nasty germs. Now I am going to put my finger in the soap and swirl it around. Well, I only put a little bit of soap on my finger. That is cool. Did you see that? All the germs moved away from my clean finger. All because of this soap. I hope you like learning with me. That's why it's always important to wash your hands with soap and water. But right now, I have to clean up. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe.